In this problem, we see that the components are created with a coped cut on all of these ends rather than doing a simple cut. And so let's look at how we can fix that. Now, if we go and we edit that feature, we see that it is set as a simple cut rather than as a coped cut, yet it's doing it as a coped cut with this complex profile. So what we'll do is we'll go back in here and we'll do a trim extend, and I'm going to put it on an end trim, and I want to trim this body, and I'm going to turn off this allow extension, and then I'm going to select the face, and I want to select this planar face to trim off the part, and I'll say OK to that. And so now we have trimmed this one. Let's do another one. Let's do this one. And so I will do a trim extend again. I want to trim this part. I'll turn off the allow extension, and I want to do use this face, and I'll say OK to that to trim that away. So we'll have to go around and trim each one of these individually. I didn't find a way to do it in a more automatic fashion. So we'll do that end. So I've done both ends of this one. I've done this end, and I've done this end. I'll leave the rest for you to experiment.